Hi there, welcome to my YouTube art channel. Today I will take you on a mesmerizing journey as we recreate an old drawing of a fashionista using vibrant color pencils. Join me as we blend timeless elegance with modern artistic techniques to bring this captivating artwork back to life. Let's delve into the world of colors, creativity, and inspiration and witness the transformation of this classic piece into a masterpiece of our own. So, grab your art supplies, sit back, and let's begin this enchanting artistic adventure together. Today, I will recreate this classic beauty, and I will first start by outlining the main features with a light color pencil, ensuring her graceful expression is captured perfectly. I will start by selecting a rich color palette to accentuate her features. A mix of warm and cool tones will add depth and dimension. Time to dive into the details. I will start with her hair using gentle strokes to add texture and shading. The story behind recreating this piece is pretty interesting and captivating in itself. The drawing that I am using as a reference to recreate this piece was actually created by me in the year 2002, and at that time I was in class 8. And a few months back, I posted almost all my artworks on my Facebook page that I have by my name. And a few art collectors around the globe showed their interest in buying a few of my artworks. Some art collector from South America showed interest in buying this artwork. She actually wanted to buy three of my artworks. This fashionista was one of them. So then I decided to recreate this one and then put on sale for art collectors to buy it. And this is the story behind doing all this piece again. Now I will focus on her mesmerizing eyes. The eyes are the windows to the soul, and I want them to convey a sense of allure and mystery. When you draw, paint, or create something, it is all about finding the right balance, ensuring every element complements the other. Adding those final touches will bring out her personality. I will highlight her hair and background to complement her overall look. There she is, reimagined in color pencils, a timeless symbol of beauty and fashion. I hope you enjoyed creating her with me. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more artistic journeys like this one. And remember, art has the power to inspire and change, I believe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep creating. Thanks for watching.